She's guessing. Aww. Raw garlic has a lot of health benefits, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about how I put it in food.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
What? What's down there? Oh, I put my shoes there. These are my favorite shoes, and I just got more. They had a sale. These are the Skechers Gowalks. These ones are 4. I had the 3. I really like the 3, but I wasn't able to find more of the 3. So they had a great sale, buy one get one half off. But it's like I would have gotten more anyways. Yeah. So what I like about these shoes is they are super cushiony. The inside is supposed to be made out of, it's if they call it a Goji yoga mat technology. These are like brand new, so they still have like the cardboard and stuff like that in them. And yeah, so it's they call it Goji mat or yoga. It's supposed to be like yoga mat, yoga mats for your feet, but I think it's like thicker than a yoga mat. And yeah, I really like them. So they come in different styles, and this is what these ones look like. The other ones are purple. And so yeah, those are my favorite shoes right now to jog and walk in. What's going on with you? Are you trying to go after the cats as usual? Careful. Where are you going? Pine cones? Go ahead and pick it up if you want. Got a jacket on. You got your Tigger suit on. After these ducks here. Oh, she's dancing. Yeah. She's dancing. Aww. That's the music. Aww. Hey, somebody on a scooter. Yeah, I have her sippy cup, and usually she wouldn't use this because she has to push on it with her lips. She's doing that, but she's got some water here. It's okay. Got my water, and yeah, I mean, view's pretty amazing sometimes. Just being real with you. So, yeah, just out here getting the walk in. There's some flowers, a lot of birds overhead. Hmm? Raw garlic has a lot of health benefits, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about how I put it in food. Not all the time, but I figured out a way to eat it raw. Normally I wouldn't even eat it raw, but I figured out when I put it on my, I guess you'd call it avocado toast, or just like an avocado sandwich. This is rye bread, and I've got cut up avocado. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up, and I found a quick way to do it is with scissors. What I do is I trim it up really like small, and then I put it with salt and pepper, and it works out just fine. But it's kind of spicy, so, but it's supposed to be like good for your immune system and whatever, so that's, I mean, hey, it works. This is salt, pepper, garlic, and avocado sliced up. And then what I do is, so I add some spinach on top of that, and then I close it up so it's like a sandwich. You want me to water some stuff? Okay, this plant. Oh, whoa. Here, hold it upright. Oh! You just poured it on my foot. Don't do this. See the doggies? Yeah, you excited about looking at the doggies? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's a doggy that ran over here. Oh, that's a big dog. Yeah. See all the dogs? Look at all these dogs. There's so many dogs here at the dog park.
Oh.
And that one keeps coming over here.
Wow.
Oh, that nice dog. Nice looking dog.
It's just like that.
Oh. Woo! Woo!
Cool.